Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a red lentil curry with lots of vegetables. With some rice or bread, this curry is all you need for a hearty and healthy meal. I'm using split red lentils or masoor dal. You can find this at your local Indian store or a lot of supermarkets nowadays. Of course, you can order it online. I will leave a link below in the description. Chopped yellow onion, chopped tomatoes, finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, cumin seeds. For the spices, ground turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, and a pinch of fenugreek powder if you have it. For the vegetables, I'm using sweet potatoes, cut up into cubes, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and cauliflower. Cut all the vegetables into big bite-sized pieces. If you cut them too small, they're going to fall apart, and you really want to see the vegetables in the dish. Before cooking the dal, make sure you rinse it a couple of times. For the oil, you can use vegetable oil or coconut oil. Heat up a pot with water to cook the lentils. The water's come to a boil, now we'll add the lentils. Give it a stir. It should be cooked in about 20 minutes. You can put a lid on, but just leave it slightly open so the lentils don't boil over. Stir it once in a while and skim any foam off. "20 minutes are up. The lentils are cooked at 15 minutes, but I want them to really break down and be creamy, like this. I like to mash the lentils so they're extra creamy. Heat up a pot to cook the curry. I'm going to use coconut oil. It's solidified because it's cold. When the oil is hot, put the cumin seeds in. They're popping and have changed color. Now we can add the onions. And ginger. A little salt. Cook this until soft. The onions are soft. Now I'll add the garlic. Cook this until golden brown. That looks good. Now we'll add the spices, salt, stir just for a few seconds so the spices lose their raw taste. Be careful not to let them burn. Add the chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft. You can see the oil has separated. Tomatoes are soft. You can mash them a little bit if you need to. That looks good. Now we can add the sweet potatoes, water, cover and cook until the sweet potatoes are 3/4 of the way done. It's been about 10 minutes. Insert a knife into the sweet potato to see if it's almost done. Now I'll add the cauliflower and the peppers. Water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Pour in the lentils. Taste and add more salt if you need to. Needs a little bit. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes. Check to make sure the vegetables are cooked. All the vegetables are cooked, they're tender, but not mushy. I like to squeeze some lemon juice. You can add some cilantro leaves if you'd like, it's optional. The curry has a good amount of gravy, and this will thicken more as it sits. But this is perfect served over rice or with any kind of bread. I hope you try out this curry and tell me how you like it. For more vegetarian recipes, click on the playlist. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.